Talk to yourself once in a day. Otherwise, you may miss meeting an intelligent person in this world. By Swami Vivekanand. Good morning, bachcho. Today, we are here to know about National Youth Day. 12th of January, we celebrate as a National Youth Day, also known as Yuva Divas. Is celebrated on 12th January every year in the India. The day marks the birth anniversary of Swami Vivekanand, one of the most popular philosophers and thinkers of India, and is celebrated as the Yuva Divas to recognize his contribution to the Indian society. Swami Vivekanand was born on 12th of January in 1863 in Kolkata as Narendranath Datta to Vishwanath Datta and Bhuvneshwari Devi. He was an extraordinary child with spiritual thoughts. Swami Vivekanand had a strong memory since his childhood. He had read all Hindu scriptures like Vedas, Upanishads, Bhagavad Gita, Ramayana and Mahabharata. He was about 25 years old when he became a monk. His speech in Chicago made him globally famous. He followed his guru Ramakrishnan throughout his life and took all his responsibilities after his death. He established the branches of Ramakrishnan Mission also in other countries. Swami Vivekananda never allowed a woman to enter in his monasteries. People say that Swami Vivekananda suffered from 31 diseases. He had already announced that he would not achieve the age of 40 and died at the age of 39. The birth anniversary of Swami Vivekananda in India is celebrated as National Youth Day. This day was declared National Youth Day by the Government of India in 1984. And it has been celebrated in India every year since 1985. Swami Vivekananda believed that youth is the foundation of a country and they are a great assist to any nation as they are full of energy, excitement and innovative ideas. He called the channelize their energy in the right direction so that they can drive the country on the path of progress. People all across the nation celebrate this day as a festival. Various programs, events and workshops dedicated to Vivekananda are held in school and educational institutes where his teachings are spread among the youth. Several programs include speeches, music, youth conversation, seminars, yoga, presentation, competition in essay writing and sports every year is celebrated on this day. And I would like to say, arise, awake, stop, not until your goal is achieved. By Swami Vivekananda. I hope you like my video. Please like, share and subscribe. Bye bye.